Guess the sentence. A cat drank milk. Guess the sentence. The lion is the king of the jungle. Guess the sentence. The dog ran home. Guess the sentence. The turtle won the race. Guess the sentence. The girl had a birthday party. Guess the sentence. The boy ate an apple. Guess the sentence. The boy is sleeping at night. Guess the sentence. Their family went to the beach. Guess the sentence. The boy used an umbrella in rain. Guess the sentence. Someone is cooking food. Guess the sentence. The bear found honey in the forest. Guess the sentence. Bees are buzzing in the garden. Guess the sentence. The boy is happy to see the rainbow.